Afia, you like to go to outside? Yes, Mommy, I want to go to outside. Okay, Mommy got some gift for you. Wow, what gift you got for me, Mommy? I got Guiter and some parrot for you, Afia. Wow, thank you, Mommy. What is that? I want to see and I want to play with. Okay. Yay! Hooray! 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 I want to play with Guiter. I want to play with some parrot. Mommy, how many parrots did you buy for me? I bought 2 parrots for you, Afia. Wow! 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 Hooray! Wow! 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 I got friend here. Hello, my beautiful friend. How are you today? Oh, hello, Afia. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. What about you? Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Thank you. I'd like to play with you with the parrot and Guiter. Wow, wow, wow. Hooray. It would be fun. Fun to play together. Fun to play together with friends, with the beautiful 2 friends. Yay, yay. It's fun to have. It's fun. It will be very good time with my friends to play with Guiter and some parrots. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Surprise, Afia! There is a parrot for you. Hooray! Wow! It's a beautiful parrot. Hello, Afia. How are you today? I'm fine, parrot. Green parrot. How are you? I'm doing good. You like to go outside, your mom said? You don't need to go outside today because I can give you some entertainment. I can dance, I can run, I can sing. Hoo hoo hoo, hoo hoo hoo. I can do many things, yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. Another parrot is coming. Hello, Afia. Hello, friends. How are you all today? Yay, we all fine. Hello, there is a yellow parrot. Hello, there is another orange parrot. How are you today? I'm fine. What about you? I'm doing good. Hello, hello, little friend. Hello. Oh, another. Hello, my beautiful green parrot. You okay? Yeah, I'm doing good. What about you? Yeah, I'm fine. Look at that, my magic. I can run, I can play, I can make music, I can sing, and I can dance. Woohoo! Oh, I fell down. Dance. Woohoo! Yay! Hello. Wow, this is my best friend. Would like to listen some sing and music, Afia? Yeah, I'd like to too. Mom said she got a guitar for me. Let's see what guitar she bought for me today. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Okay, what are you doing today? Oh, I would like to play with you, Afia. Yay! Woo! Oh! Wow! For you. Like white eyes, you like to play with this. Hooray, 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 hooray. I like to play with white eyes. Wow, oh, you are very happy. You keep dancing. Woohoo. Here you go, Afia. You like to play with this music too. Yay.